Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of terrariums. These beautiful indoor gardens in glass containers are a stunning decor piece and a fun and rewarding DIY project. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on creating your very own terrarium. Many people struggle with finding the right way to display their plants indoors, often ending up with cluttered spaces or plants that don't thrive. Having plants at home can be incredibly beneficial for both physical and mental health, but it can be intimidating to know where to start. A lot of us might have a few sad plants sitting on a shelf, collecting dust and looking a bit worse for wear. Or maybe you've tried to set up a plant arrangement but it just doesn't seem to be working out. Whatever the case, I'm here to help you turn that around and create a beautiful indoor garden that will bring joy and serenity to your home. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to indoor gardening is not considering the needs of their plants. Different plants require different levels of light, water, and care. And if you're not taking those needs into account, your plants are going to struggle. Another common issue is not providing enough visual interest in your plant arrangement. A single plant sitting on a table can look a bit lonely, but adding some decorative elements and layering can make a huge difference. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to choose the right plants, select the perfect glass container, and create a stunning visual display that will elevate your entire space. So, let's get started. What is a terrarium? A terrarium is a miniature garden enclosed in a glass container which creates a self-sustaining ecosystem. They can be closed or open, depending on your chosen plants and the environment you want to create. Terrariums are perfect for small spaces and bring a touch of nature indoors. Not only do terrariums add beauty to your home, but they also help purify the air and require minimal maintenance. Plus, they're a great way to learn about plant care and ecosystems. When it comes to choosing plants, you'll want to select ones that thrive in indoor conditions and don't require a ton of maintenance. Some great options include succulents, mosses, and ferns. These plants are all relatively low maintenance and can tolerate a range of light conditions. You'll also want to consider the size of your plants and the size of your container. You don't want your plants to outgrow their home too quickly. To create your terrarium, you'll need the following materials: a glass container of your choice, small rocks for drainage-activated charcoal to prevent odors potting soil, your choice of plants and any decorative elements like figurines or stones. You may also want to include moss for added texture, small tools for planting, and a watering can for easy maintenance. In addition to soil and plants, you'll need some decorative elements to add visual interest to your garden. Pebbles, rocks, and moss can all be used to create a layered look that's both beautiful and functional. You can also add some decorative branches or shells to give your garden some extra texture and depth. Start by cleaning your glass container to ensure it's free of dust and dirt. This will help your terrarium look its best. Next, add a layer of small rocks to the bottom of the container for drainage. This is crucial to prevent water from pooling at the bottom and causing root rot. After the rocks, add a thin layer of activated charcoal. This helps keep the terrarium fresh and prevents any unpleasant odors. Now it's time for the potting soil. Add enough to create a nice layer for your plants to root in. About 2 to 3 inches should be sufficient. Choose your plants based on the light conditions of your home. Succulents and air plants work well in open terrariums, while ferns and moss are great for closed ones. Make small holes in the soil and gently place your plants, ensuring their roots are covered. Now for the fun part. Add decorative elements like stones, figurines, or moss to personalize your terrarium and make it unique. Once you're satisfied with your design, give your terrarium a gentle mist of water to hydrate the plants. Remember, less is more. Overwatering can harm your plants. Place your terrarium in a spot with indirect sunlight. For watering, check the soil moisture. If it feels dry, give it a light mist. Closed terrariums need less water than open ones due to their self-sustaining nature. Keep an eye on your plants and trim any dead leaves as needed. This will keep your terrarium looking fresh and healthy. As you work on your garden, remember to take your time and enjoy the process. Creating an indoor garden is a journey, and it's okay if things don't turn out exactly as you envisioned them at first. The most important thing is that you're having fun and learning as you go. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. That's all part of the process. And there you have it, you've created your very own beautiful terrarium. It's a wonderful way to bring a bit of nature indoors and enjoy the beauty of plants year-round. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more fun DIY projects. What plants are you excited to use in your terrarium? Let us know in the comments below. Happy gardening!